Tell me one good reason why I should try continuing to fight it.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So these are the Realme Buds Air. So this is going to be an unboxing and first impressions. And of course, special thanks to Realme for sending this over. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala. And if I'm not mistaken, these are Realme's first pair of wireless earbuds. So they look really similar to the first generation Apple AirPods. And honestly, I'm not a fan of this design, but you know, we'll see once we unbox this. So if I'm not mistaken, these only come in white.
Actually, kuya, may iba pang color option yan. Ito, black and yellow. Black and yellow, black and yellow.
So we have the Real Wireless Tech super low latency wireless charging support. So I'm assuming that's for the case. And like the Apple AirPods, we have this open up auto connection. So once you open up the case itself, the earbuds should turn on and automatically connect your previously paired device. So we have wear detection, autoplay, and pause. So I'm assuming the earbuds themselves has a proximity sensor. And we have dynamic bass boost drivers. So advanced audio coding. So I'm assuming the low frequencies when listening to this will not be overpowering, so here's hoping. And we also have dual mic noise cancellation, so that's something I'm looking forward to the noise cancellation of this, as the current wireless earbuds that I'm using right now, basically it doesn't have any type of noise cancellation. So yeah. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. And by the way, this isn't your usual pair of budget wireless earbuds. So these are really pricey compared to the previous wireless earbuds or pretty much any audio equipment that I've used in this channel or featured in this channel. So these are worth 4,000 pesos. Okay, so we have the case, actually quite similar to the first generation Apple AirPods also. So let's set this aside for now. And let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so we have a USB Type-C to Type-A charging cable. So it's not braided, so I would assume this is 10 inches. And it looks like we have an instruction manual and the warranty card, I think. So a few things you guys need to know. So we have the charging case. They're calling it a charging box. So we have the pairing key, the only button here, I think. So we have an LED indicator wearing sensor. So I'm assuming that's the proximity sensor, the touch control area, auxiliary microphone, and main microphone. So I'm assuming this is for the noise cancelling feature, the auxiliary microphone. So this supports 3 wireless charging and 3 hours of use on a single charge, which is kind of underwhelming, as my Blue DOTL2s actually last for up to 6 hours, and that's worth 1,000 pesos. So you can get up to 17 hours of charge from the case. Charging time of the case, so I'm not sure if this is the charging time of the case or the earbuds themselves. I'll find out about that in my full review. So we have Bluetooth 5.0 up to 10 meters of operating distance. And yeah, looks like this is also the warranty card. So yeah, let's set this aside for now and take a closer look at the earbuds themselves. So it's really glossy. I'm not a fan of that. So I'm assuming this will scratch easily. I'm not sure. I wish Realme would have gone for a matte finish. And at the bottom, we have the USB Type-C charging port. Okay, so let's test this out. So I just turned on Bluetooth on my device and let's see. Okay, so there we have Realme Buds Air. Okay, so we are currently at 100% charge, and we also have a battery level indicator in our notifications area. And regarding the LED indicator, so it's really cool. It's like embedded into the plastic. So yeah, I'm gonna take these out of the case, test them out for a bit, and come back to you guys in a bit.
1 hour later.
Hey guys, welcome back. So I've been using the Buds Air for quite a bit. So a few things that I didn't mention earlier. So we have this design by Realme text at the back of the charging case. And regarding the earbuds themselves, so this is how they look. So we have indicators for left and right. We have the gold contact points at the bottom for charging and the primary microphone. We also have the proximity sensor here. And at the other side, we have the auxiliary microphone, which I'm assuming is the noise cancelling microphone. So yeah, these look exactly like the first generation Apple AirPods. So regarding the functions and sound quality. So first off, pairing it with your smartphone. So it's really easy and straightforward. So once you've paired it once with your smartphone, just open up the case and it will connect instantly. The proximity sensors work really well, so once I remove one earbud, it automatically pauses what I'm watching or listening to. So this is the main area for the touch control, so it's quite small and it's pretty responsive. So unlike my current wireless earbuds, which are the Bluetooth TL2s, these have beeping prompts whenever you press the touch controls. These have none, but they're not perfect. So regarding the touch controls, so there's double tap to answer the call or play or pause music, triple tap to skip to the next song, hold for 2 seconds during a call to hang up, hold for 2 seconds to reject an incoming call. Pressing both sides at the same time for 2 seconds enters you into game mode, so that's like the low latency mode, and hold either earbuds for 2 seconds to activate your voice assistant. But here comes the part that I don't like. So regarding the touch controls, there's no single tap to just play or pause, which I guess is kind of understandable to avoid accidental presses, but at the same time, the touch control functions like go back to the previous song and volume level adjustment are not available. So I wish they could have gone for a single tap, either earbuds to play pause music or answer calls, then double tap the right earbud to increase volume, double tap the left earbud to decrease volume, triple tap the right earbud to skip songs, and triple tap the left earbud to go back to the previous song, which honestly is a deal breaker for me, and it's not water resistant, so it doesn't have any kind of IP certification nor any claims from Realme that these are water resistant. So yeah. So moving on to sound quality, so these sound great. They're nice and loud at max volume and significantly louder than my Bluetooth TL2s. You can perfectly hear the highs, mids, and lows of pretty much any song that you're listening to. The bass and lows are quite punchy, but not to the point that it's overpowering the highs and mids. I would rate sound quality as an A+, so they're really good compared to my Bluetooth TL2s. And regarding the noise cancellation, I went outside for a bit and the noise cancellation works. Like, it just works. It's legit. Unless you're beside a person who's shouting or really loud car noises, the noise cancellation I would say cancels out like 20 decibels of sound, just based on my experience of course. So really impressive, even compared to more expensive wireless earbuds in the market right now. I would expect that, as these are 4,000 pesos again, so they're quite pricey for wireless earbuds. So again guys, this is just an unboxing and first impression, so of course I'm going to take my time with these and do a full review in the future. And regarding recommending these right now, if you're a total audiophile and you just want great sound quality and really good noise cancellation from wireless earbuds, regardless of design, some missing functions, the average battery life, and price, then by all means these are great, go for it. But to those of you who are in a budget like me and just want great value, then you should look elsewhere, as these are probably not for you. I'm not saying that these don't offer great value. I would say for the price of the Realme Buds Air, the price is fair. And those are my thoughts for now. Kung ko-compare mo yung sound quality niya dito sa current wireless earbuds ko, which are the Bluetooth TL2s, alis kayo. Alis. If you guys want to buy this, then I'll leave the link in the description. And before we end this video, I almost forgot about build quality. So the charging case is built really well. It's still really light, although again, I don't like the glossy finish of it. And the build quality of the earbuds themselves are really good also. So even though it's all plastic, it doesn't feel cheap. But again, I wish they would have gone for a matte finish for the earbuds and the charging case. So yeah, that's gonna do it for now guys. Stay tuned for my review of this. So leave a like if you did, dislike if you feel like you have to, consider subscribing and turn on notifications to be updated on my latest videos. As always, bookmark and use my Lazada affiliate link if you're buying at Lazada, and donate to my PayPal also to support the channel. Like my Facebook page and follow me on Twitter for other updates and announcements. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Ain't nobody quite like you, got me falling through and through. Straight to the top, I'm tumbling.